What is cloud computing? Which one to choose? Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss about various cloud service providers and we'll see how we can choose the right service provider for our project. If you are new to my channel or not yet subscribed, please do subscribe now. Press the subscribe button below and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. A cloud is a virtual computing platform physically located in a data center of different geographical location which can be accessible through internet. In the market today, everyone are moving towards cloud world. It might be a public cloud, private cloud, or a hybrid cloud. So let's see what are the benefits of using the cloud computing. Scalability. We can increase and decrease the resources as per the demand. No need to pay unnecessary for the resources which we don't need. Scale up and scale down automatically. That means whenever there is a high demand, we can increase our resources. If there is a low demand, we can able to decrease the resources or remove the resources which is unnecessarily not required. In this way, we can save the cost for the resources. So let's see. Next, storage. So same for the storage as well. We can increase and decrease the storage as per our need. Low cost storage backup being provided by the cloud service providers. So if there is a storage capacity, you can do the automations to increase and decrease your storage capacity as per your need. Next comes data loss. No need to worry about the data loss. The cloud data loss prevention, that is DLP, helps keep an organization sensitive and critical information safe from cyber attacks, insider threats, and accidental exposure. It provides a great feature to recover your data. Data security. A crucial component of cloud data security is data integrity, preventing unauthorized modification or deletion and ensuring that data remains as it was when originally uploaded into the cloud. Maintenance. So, maintenance provided by the cloud service providers to maintain your data and resources. The maintenance cloud offers a unique opportunity for your maintenance team to meet uptime and production demands without sacrificing quality of work or maintenance KPIs. So these are the benefits of using the clouds. So let's see what are the cloud providers in the market. So in the current market, there are many cloud service providers. You can see here AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP, like Google Cloud Platform, DigitalOcean, Linode, IBM, and Oracle. That's many more cloud service providers who claims to provide good services in the market. But there are top three service providers those are popular in the market. Those are AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. So Google Cloud is with GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Let's see the types of services being provided by the cloud service providers. First is IaaS. IaaS means infrastructure as service. So it provides only a base infrastructure. End user have to configure and manage the platform, deploy applications on it. SaaS, that's called software as service. That's on-demand software managed by vendors. That's applications, virtualization, server, storage, etc. Example, Gmail, SAP, Salesforce, or these kind of softwares which you can use and they provide. Next is PaaS. PaaS is for platform as a service. So it provides a platform allowing end user to develop, run, and manage applications without complexity of building and maintaining the infrastructure. So the developer has not, and the company has not, the company should not worry about the infrastructure setup. they can use the platform being provided by the service provider, and they can build and can run whatever they want. So similar examples are there, like AWS Beanstalk, Heroku, and Google App Engine, etc. So next, they provide CaaS, that is Container as Service. So it provides a container-based virtualization in which container engines, orchestration, and the underlying computer resources delivered to the customer. Example, AWS ECS, EKS, Google GKE, Azure SES, etc. So next, FaaS. FaaS stands for Function as Service. So it provides a platform allowing customers to develop, run, and manage application functionalities. That is AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, etc. In the current IT market, many cloud service providers, they started providing the function-based services, the function as services, where you use the functions and to call your APIs, and there are many servers, many applications which is running in this function as services. When it comes to choose the right cloud service provider for your project, it has multiple factors involved. The solution architect's responsibility to understand clearly the project demand and the cost. Then, based on the criteria, choose the right services. Hope you understood clearly what is cloud computing, what are the various cloud service providers, and the type of services they are providing. Also, what is the benefit of using the cloud services. If you have any doubt or any questions, please do comment me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer your questions. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. You'll get notified when I add more up-to-date videos on my channel. Thank you.